everybody, this is RL57 Toys Review. Today I have Bugatti Chiron Siku. It says metal and plus plastic parts, number 150A. Nothing at the back. Let's open this up. So this is the Bugatti Chiron. It's in silver, metallic and black color. Nice tail lights. They had this in the Bugatti Veyron open roof. I'll show you in another review the differences between the Bugatti Chiron and the Bugatti Veyron. Has opening doors, nice detailing on the front, the horseshoe logo, opening doors, and at the bottom you can see it says here Bugatti Chiron, and there's some personal information of the car. You can pause that to see it. Thanks for watching my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a like on this video. Bye bye.